Hey everybody, Moto Vlog Brian here. So the next few videos is a conglomerate of my audio testing. Some you can hear my vocals pretty good in, others you can't simply because I was standing too far away from the external mic. I'm used to having the mic on my phone, not attached to my bike. So kind of bear with the audio differential in the videos. I'm just going to take all 5 of them, just mash them together. So that way y'all can see how I'm going with the audio testing. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Started out, I've got this is in the same location as audio test 1. It was in the garage. It's not raining now. Now I'm outside. So I'm going to go ahead and do a video test with the same location. External mic, smartphone mic. It's just clipped onto my license plate. Just see how it sounds out here. It was really gainy in the garage, but it did work, which was a bonus. So let's start up. Bike's a little cold, so yeah. This is position 2, clip to the reflector. This is position 3, clip to the back of the sissy bar. This is position 1, 2, 3, position 4, which is in the left hard bag. All right, so there's all the positions that I think might work best. As you can see, it's just a lapel mic. So I'm gonna see what those sound like on this video in idle, and then from those I'll select one to make more of a permanent mount, and then we'll go down the road and see how wind issues is. So this is video number 2 audio test with 4 different bike locations not moving. That last video was position, I don't know, I just hooked to the back of the sissy bar and got up to 55. Now I'm going to clip it to the back of the plate and get up to 55. In the video 1 and 2, let me flip this camera around, hang on. All right, this is I don't know, video 3 or 4 now. The location of the mic on the plate was just too much gain. The on the back of the sissy bar was better, but it's still too much gain for me. Inside the hard bag, that's not happening. It was terrible. So now I've got it clipped to the backrest of the driver's backrest, and I got a sneaking suspicion this might work. So I'm gonna go ahead and fire it up, take a ride, and see what we got. Okay, I got that ride done. I just relocated the mic. It's clipped onto the rack, the luggage rack, right up by the back tire, and just to get another sample. So I'm going to spin around and hit up 55 and see how it goes. Weaving in the background. Say hi, hon.
Hi, hon.
So, out of all of them behind the driver's side backrest, worked pretty good. I got a good sound starting off. Pretty good sound at 55. Little wind issue, so I'm going to build a wind box next, and then attach it to the back of the seat, and see how that goes. I think that's a pretty good home for it. You can hear the engine wind down as well as rev up. You can hear the pipes. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to build a wind box next, and then I'll run tests for those. But I got to eat breakfast, so I'm going to take a break.